So hello everyone. So for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to move our taskbar from bottom going to top. So as you can see in Windows 11, there is no option in the taskbar settings to make it uh, reside on top. So it is already default in the bottom. So to change its position, what we need to do is to go to the registry. So just uh, click Windows R or to run, and then just search regedit. So and then enter, then it will pop up something, then just type or click yes. Once you're already here, you can navigate uh, to this directory, or what we call registry location. So in the H key current user, just expand on this one, go to software here, and then from software go to Microsoft, and then Microsoft, go to Windows, and then from Windows go to current version, then current version go to Explorer. This is the Explorer, and then from Explorer go to the stock rec. So stock rec, this one 3. Then you can also see here the location where I am going to, and then just double click on this binary settings, then you'll have this pop up. So this 03, instead of using 03, we'll change the 03 value going to 02 to move the taskbar on right if you want it to go to right. And if you want to go it for it to go to left, change it to 00. So if you want to move the taskbar on bottom, this is the default 03. And if you want it to move on top, so change it to 01 value. So this is the 03 here. So let's do it. So let's delete this one and then put 01. Then click on OK. And then close this one. Then go to your task manager. So you can right click on the Windows icon here, then go for task manager, since task manager is already removed from the taskbar if you do the right click. So just right click here, task manager. You can also do the shortcut if you like. And then you need to restart. Look for the Windows Explorer process. Then we need to restart that one. Windows Explorer here. Then you need to restart this one. So it will restart, and then you'll have this one as your new setup. As you can see, our taskbar is already on top. So me personally, I prefer it on top, so I can easily on my eye level the different applications that I open and that I am using currently. So that's it for now. I hope this tutorial helped you if you're going to change the position of your taskbar in Windows 11. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for my next tutorial. And thank you for watching, guys.